Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Jadooi Math. I mean Magical Math. My name is Chishta. I am 10 years old. This video is part 4. Today I'm going to tell you multiplication of any number of digits where number of multipliers digits are not equal as of number of multiplicands digit. You know friends, you can do in one line using Vedic Math. Before discussing today's Jadoo, I want to discuss about last week's Jadoo because it will help you to understand today's Jadoo easily. Just to inform, this number is called multiplier and this number is called multiplicands. So if you see here, this number has 5 digits and this number has also 5 digits. So it means both are equal. Now, today's Jadoo. If you see here, this multiplier has 5 digits and multiplier has 3 digits. Here, multiplier has 3 digits and multiplier has 6 digits. It means they're not both equals, right? So, today we will learn how to do that question. Jadoo's secret, magic line. Hope you friends remember magic line. In case you forgot, please refer my part 3 video for magic line detailed understanding. However, just to recap, magic line will help you to find out number of crosses and boxes. Where box says multiply numbers vertically, cross says cross multiply numbers and then add. Okay, now let's draw magic line. I have taken this number. So here multiplier has 9 digits while multiplicand has 5 digits. So let's make it equal. I've just added 4 zeros before multiply. As you know, adding 0 before a number doesn't harm it. So I wrote first 9 and then I will decrease 1 from 9 at both sides. So 8, 7, 6, 5 and we need to do till reach 1. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Now I have one more example for you. Now multiplier has 3 digits and multiplicand has 5 digits. So we will just add 2 0 before it. And now I've just switched them in, just making for easy. Now we have 5 digits over 5 and I will decrease 1 for 5 at both sides. So 4, 3 till we reach to 1. So 2, 1, stop. So let's apply the Jadoo. For example, I took this number. I've written like this format. Now we're going to draw magic line. Well, as you can see, I've grayed out last 2 numbers on magic line. And grayed out means no needed to apply Jadoo for these number places. Keep in mind, gray out always started from left on magic line and also gray out numbers will be equal the number of added zeros. Okay, so 1 says 1 box, 2 says 1 cross, 3 says 1 cross and 1 box, 4 says 2 cross, so here and here, 5 says 2 cross and 1 box. Again we have 4, so 4 says 2 cross and 3 says 1 cross and 1 box. Now we are done. As I told you earlier, whenever you say gray out, don't apply magic. Now you need to add all carryovers number. Whenever you're done, then the answer will be that. As I said, done in one line. Here I have mentioned steps that we followed using magic line, so please go through it. For better understanding, I have shown some more example here. Please go through it. Thank you friends for watching my video. I hope you have learned something, and I would like to request, if you like this Jadoo math, kindly subscribe my video so that you can get future Jadoos automatically. If you have some doubts or question, write in comments. And yeah, please solve below questions using today's Jadoo. And thanks again friends, and I hope you like my video, and I'm just repeating again, please subscribe my channel, share my videos and like my videos, and in comment if you have any doubts or question or any comments for me, so any tips for me, please write in comments. And yeah, so thanks again, and yeah, stay home, stay safe, namaste.